Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign on how you can do that on your to-do list app. So all you have to do, you just go down, you click on this sign down here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just click on settings here. So when you click on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. And all you have to do now, you just click here on notification reminder here. So then it's going to take you to this list. And all you have to do now, just come here to screen lock task reminder, click in this sign here. Then like you see, when you just click on it here, you have to get premium before you before it's so enable with us, you just choose monthly or per month or annually here, and you click here on continue here. So when you just get here premium, it's going to enable with you here screen lock task reminder. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.